y'all? Welcome or welcome back. So today's video, this is going to be my maintenance vlog. As you can see, I'm sitting here yapping on camera. Baby did not even notice that my microphone was not connected, and so you can hear none of this. But I wanted to intro the video anyway, just to let you guys know what we're doing and what you can expect. So I'm going to show you guys how I prep to get on a plane for travel. I'm headed to go see Beyonce, to see the Cowboy Carter tour. I was going to Atlanta. Of course, I vlogged it, so that will be the next vlog that you see. But I wanted to show you guys what I do to really prep for travel. So we're going to do hair, we're going to do nails, we're going to do lashes, we're going to do a little facial, and we're just going to get all prepped to get on the plane. So I am going to show you guys in a second what nails I'm going to use and all of that. I've been doing my own nails for about a year and a half now, and it has served me so well. I've saved so much money, and I'm able to switch out my nails whenever I want. They look super good. I'm always getting compliments. Like, if you want to save money on anything, baby, quit going to that nail salon. I am such an advocate now. Now, I will go get my toes done, but my nails, those can be reserved for at home. So hopefully you guys take something from this video and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you as always, and my mic about to kick in. So let's go ahead and jump in. This video is gonna be like it's gonna be a little unhinged, so just prepare. But anyway, yeah, so I thought these were a bit wintry, and now Cowboy Carter is one night. I'm probably gonna have these nails on for upwards of 2 weeks, so I love these for my outfit, but yeah, whatever. I also have these, which these lean a little more summer. They're still pretty winter fall, but they lean a little more summer. But I love like the gold foliage right here. Love that a lot. Then I have these. These are a little more fun, and I think I'm leaning towards these actually. They're a little more fun and just like have a lot of colors. My pants actually have colors in them. I can't wait till you guys see the outfit. That'll be in an upcoming vlog, but yeah, my pants actually have different colors in them, and these are just really cute, and I feel like these can go with like all my outfits for the weekend. And then I just have the regular like skin toned French tips from BT Art Box Nails. I think I actually talked myself into these. I actually really like these. So we're gonna wear these. These are the Glamnetic North Star nails. So that's what we're gonna wear. What's up, you guys? Good morning. Welcome to the unhinged part of the video. So when I got this haircut, I kept saying I wasn't going to cut my own hair. I wasn't going to cut my own hair. I wasn't going to cut my own hair. However, you know what? We're just going to do it. We're just going to do it. I am due to leave out of this house in exactly 1 hour, and I want this hair cut down. I just want it cut down. I saw somebody on Instagram cutting their hair, and their rule of thumb was really cutting where their finger, so pretty much all of this hair that comes out of your finger when you do this, they cut that. And I thought that was the perfect amount of hair. I really don't need any more hair than that, especially not like up here, and that's too much hair. So we're going to attempt this. Now we're due on a plane in a few hours. If this doesn't turn out right, I fear this is not going to be good, but we will figure this shit out, okay? We'll figure it out, all right? This is my inspo. So this is what I saw, and I was like, this is the length I want. Like, this is what I've been searching for. I just haven't really seen a picture of it. Let me show y'all, because I just had to see a picture of it and get like a feel for it. But look how short her hair is. Can you see that? Did you see how short it was before she put the mousse on it? Like, look how short that is. That's what I want. That's what I want. So I'm going to stop talking because I need to really concentrate, or else I don't know, who knows what's going to happen. So I'm going to stop talking, and I'm going to attempt to cut this hair shorter. And then we're going to color it, mold it, and then I need to do my lashes, and then I think that's it, and we're ready to go. I just woke up, by the way, too. So, okay, let's go. Alright, you guys, now we're about to color this hair. I just washed it. I just washed and conditioned it, and we're just going to put some hair color. So this is my first time coloring my hair by myself, so y'all, we here, we in it now. First time coloring my hair by myself. I believe I just put the hair coloring on and then wash it out and then put some conditioner on it. That's what I think I'm supposed to do. But so that's what we're gonna do. Oh Lord, look how short it is though. I think this is what I wanted. I think we're there. I think we might be there, and we'll do a little more cutting if we have to. Okay, so I have my plastic cap. I'm using the Beautiful Collection Moisturizing Color by Clairol, and we just go, I can't find my like little brush to brush it in, so we just gonna like, we're gonna make it do what it do, y'all. We gotta do what we can, what we got. Okay, y'all, here is our hair. So soft and so perfect. I'm not even messing around with the flat irons. Sorry, y'all. My husband bought me a kale salad from Chick-fil-A. He knew I was running late. God bless that man. But he bought me a kale salad from Chick-fil-A. All in my teeth. But anyway, I ain't doing no flat irons or nothing. I ain't got time. I really don't. I gotta leave here in like 45 minutes. So my hair is super soft. It looks so good. We're just gonna leave it like this. Period. And we're gonna walk around like this until the concert tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna walk around like this until the concert. So last little thing I have to do, I'm gonna use some of this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair hair oil. There we go. We're gonna use some of that just to give my hair a little shininess. That, and then I'm also going to do some oil sheen as well. So hold on. So I'm gonna use this olive oil sheen. I'm sorry, it's African Pride oil sheen. All done. We're nice and cute and shiny. And that's it for the hair, y'all. I was gonna try to curl it, but we clearly don't have time. So let's move into lashes real quick. I was gonna just take the lashes with me because I saw that I was on a time crunch, but can I just take them with me? They ain't gonna stop me for these, are they? I don't think so. I think I will. Actually, we're not gonna do lashes. We're gonna do lashes. I'll finish up the lashes with you guys when we get to Atlanta, because I don't need to do lashes right now. I don't need to have my eyes irritated in the air. My eyes are always super irritated like right after I do the lashes, maybe like for a few hours. Or do I want to just do them? I can have them done in like 10 minutes. Let me just do them. We'll just take the irritation. It's cool. I'm going to use these. These are by Kiss. I'll link them below. But I lost a little covering for them. Let's do this real quick because we are seriously out of time.